Wow, look at this. It's Janet driving a 2026 Lexus. She's really elevating. Good luck. Siniswerte talaga si Janet. Right? Yeah, nice
You're
car.
my lucky charm. I
Yeah.
have 2 lucky charm ladies.
I know. They said, like, if somebody, a rich man or a rich woman give you money, keep that money.
Keep that money.
So you're gonna be like him. That's what they said.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I said, or go to a place, the rich place, get some stone there.
Oh.
That's what, yeah. I learned a lot from the YouTube.
Oh yeah. The reels and everything.
Yeah. Go to the rich place, get something there.
Yeah. They got. This is really nice. 2026.
Yeah. Wow, nice. Look at this. Look at Janet. You look young and beautiful.
Mommy Mercedes.
Oh, you
It's
cannot
her
forget this car because it's my
It's your
birthday.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
We are really blessed.
We are really blessed. I don't want to hit anybody.
Yeah. Thank you, Lord, for all the
Okay.
blessings. Janet is a blessing to me.
Oh, okay. Where are
Yeah.
we parking, Bri?
Oh, where is parking? Where is that thing? We gotta go. Yeah. Hi, Mana.
For park.
Oh, it's already over.
That's the only thing here in New York is the parking space. We have to look.
Yeah. I cannot get Mana. I want to see Mana.
It's
I know there's no parking. It's hard.
there's the parking right here is very
Right.
hard. We're in New York. We're
Is
in
the-
Brooklyn.
Yeah, it's the
So-
seafood here, right?
They don't have a. I wonder where Brian's gonna park. Right here, you can.
What is that?
Yeah. See, it's giving me a.
Yeah, giving you.
Yeah, like
park.
a warning.
Oh. Yeah, of course, polluted.
Yeah. I wonder if we can.
There's Brian in front of us. There's Manang Liling with us. He's so lucky, she's a rich woman.
Huli na kayong gloves.
Wala, baka sa bulsa mo, Manang.
Mas naka-gloves ako. Ano kaya tinanggap?
Oo, nasa bulsa mo. I'll look in your pocket. Aray. God bless you. Aray.
Where is the?
I think finished now.